Data Science Course, Comprehensive Journey to Expertise. A data science course is a multidisciplinary program that teaches the use of scientific methods, algorithms, processes, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from both structured and unstructured data. Defining data science course. Importance of data science in today's world. Master in Data Science. Top undergraduate courses in India. Some of the best data science programs in India include Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Pune, offers a BT Tech in Data Science and Engineering, providing a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical skills in areas such as big data, cloud computing, and IoT. These programs provide a solid foundation in computer science, statistics, and mathematics. India's top institutions offer world-class undergraduate programs in data science, providing students with the necessary skills and knowledge to succeed in this dynamic field. Curriculum and subjects in data science courses. Data mining focuses on extracting patterns and knowledge from large data sets using techniques from machine learning, statistics, and database systems. Data analysts focus on interpreting data, identifying trends, and providing valuable insights to support business strategies and decision-making. Exploring real-world data science applications provides a clearer understanding of their industry impact. Real-world applications of data science. Social media data science is employed in social media platforms for sentiment analysis, content recommendation, and targeted advertising. By analyzing user interactions and engagement metrics, social media companies can optimize content delivery and enhance user engagement. Competitive field. The demand for data scientists and analysts is rapidly growing, creating a need for qualified professionals in the field. Immersive roles. The internship programs cover a range of areas within data science, including machine learning, data analysis, data architecture, and business intelligence. Placement support provided by educational institutions. Internship to job transition. Data science internships often serve as a pathway to full-time job opportunities. Hands-on experience and skill development. Data science internships offer hands-on experience. Mentorship and guidance. Some internship programs include mentorship sessions where industry professionals offer guidance, share experiences, and provide insights into the field of data science. By participating in internships and leveraging placement support, students can enhance their employability and embark on a rewarding journey in the realm of data science. To seize this opportunity, students need a program that equips them with essential data science fundamentals and industry-ready skills at an affordable cost. The Trizula Mastery in Data Science is perfect for aspiring professionals, offering a self-paced approach to ensure job readiness by graduation.